Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You begin with prerequisites. Confirm Power BI Desktop and SQL Server are installed and reachable. Open Ssms to verify the server name and enable TCP/IP. This ensures Power BI can connect over the network. Once done, create or confirm a SQL login using SQL Server authentication so you can supply credentials from Power BI. Make sure firewall rules allow the SQL port. This prevents connection timeouts. Now switch to Power BI Desktop to create a new SQL Server data source and paste the server and database values. You now perform the connection. In Power BI, choose Get Data, select SQL Server, and enter the server and database exactly as Ssms shows. Select Import if you need fast report performance and periodic refresh, or Direct Query if you require live data and minimal refresh latency. Provide the SQL authentication username and password, or select Windows Authentication when on the same domain. This preserves permission context. Once connected, preview tables. Choose only needed columns to minimize model size, and load or You finish by refining and publishing. Tidy the model, set correct data types, and reduce columns and rows to speed visuals. Publish to Power BI service, and if Ssms is on-premises, install and configure the on-premises data gateway so scheduled refreshes work. This bridges service to your SQL server. If something breaks, first verify firewall rules, confirm server name and port, and test credentials in Ssms. Check gateway logs for authentication errors. This single check resolves most connection failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.